What's up, guys? Welcome back. We're about to drive over the scariest bridge in the world. Okay, maybe not the scariest bridge in the world, but a lot of people are terrified of this bridge. They used to have a driving service. I'm not sure if they still do, but they used to have a driving service for people that were scared to drive over the bridge that had to commute. Anybody from Maryland? Comment below if you're from Maryland, Delaware, anywhere in the mid-Atlantic region. You've probably been over the Bay Bridge before. Is it scary? We will see. What do you guys think? And for me, I grew up going over this bridge, so it just feels like a normal bridge to me, but it's pretty long. It is pretty long. It is high. And we all know what happened to the bridge, the Key Bridge, recently in Baltimore. Whew. Terrifying. Here we go. About to enter the bridge. What is kind of scary is sometimes they'll redirect you and you'll be going on the other side of the bridge where traffic's, it's single lane or it's a nice day. It is cool outside, sunny and cool, a little cloudy, but hey, I'll take it. A little bit of traffic. It is Friday in June, so people are headed to Ocean City. Headed to my buddy's house. He just moved to Kent Island last year or year before last, and we're gonna go shoot some guns. So that should be fun. I do need to go all the way out to Ocean City. I haven't been to Ocean City in 20 years because I just recently moved back to Maryland. Well, it's been a couple years, but I haven't been. I was in New York for a decade. I just haven't been out to Ocean City, Dewey Beach, Rehoboth in forever, so I need to get back out there. Anybody scared? Is this scary, driving over this bridge? What do you guys think? Is this the scariest bridge in the United States or in Maryland? I know there is another bridge in Maryland, or it's in Virginia, right? The Chesapeake Bay Bridge. And that bridge, I want to say goes under the water. I've never been over it. But that one's supposed to be scary. Well, it's a long bridge, huh? Now entering Queen Anne's County on the eastern shore. I'm headed to Kent Island, which is, I want to say it's the first exit, Stevensonville. I don't know, guys. I don't get the fear. But then if you're afraid of heights, okay. Although I'm not exactly a fan of heights. If I'm up way, way high and I don't have a lot of room to move around, if I'm in a tight space, then I'm not a fan of that. But if I'm up high, you know, like this, I don't know. It doesn't bother me. Now, if the Jersey wall wasn't there, if it was just a straight drop off to the water, okay. I don't think I would like that too much. I still can't get over what happened in Baltimore, man, and the Key Bridge. I mean, that was straight out of an action movie. Unbelievable. They're going to be cleaning that mess up forever. I've probably been over this bridge. I bet you I've been over this bridge at least, I don't know, 40 or 50 times, I would say, maybe more. So it's just another bridge. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We've got more content coming, so stay tuned, and we'll see you next time.